Yeah, good day, everybody. On this on this video, we're going to be learning on how to spot out a trend. It's very simple. You only need two moving average, or probably one. Okay, let's just use one. One is fine. Now, tap on your screen. Click on the F to insert an indicator. Once you click on the F, now you're going to click on this one here, this main chart, because you want to insert the indicator on your main chart. Okay, so you're going to do that. Once you click on the F, then you're going to click on moving average. Okay, because you want to use moving average to do that. So once you click on your moving average, you can make your moving average 20. Just put 20, then click done. You can change your color to whichever color you want. Just click done at the top. Now here we are. Okay, now how do you spot out that you're in an upward trend or a downward trend? Now, whenever you see the market above the moving average, so you consider it an upward trend, you are beginning to rally up, you consider it an upward trend. Now, how do I consider it an upward trend? Go to your 4 hours chart. Go to your 4 hours chart. Once you go to your 4 hours chart, if you see your trade above, watch, look at the moving average line, this blue line that I'm mimicking, like tracing. Then look at this trade here. It's not touching the blue line. This particular long candle, it forms above the blue line, so I know that we are in the upward. Look at this other smaller green one, it touches the blue line. I'm not sure yet. So this one that touched the that didn't touch the blue line is going up by itself. I know that we have changed the market have changed direction. So just take note of that. It's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. So you can use that to spot a trend. And again, you see the moving average pointing up. Look at it. Then I want to insert another moving average. I'll tap my screen, I'll click on the F, then I'll click on the main chart, that F plus, then I'll click on moving average. Once I click on moving average, I'm going to make this one 10, then change the color to red. Then I'm going to click done on my screen. Done. Now you can still use this to spot out a trend. Now we are using a moving average 10 and 20, the smaller moving average, which is the 10, to cross the bigger moving average, which is the 20. Okay, so upward or downward. So now let's see, whenever the moving average, the lower one, which is the 10, the red one, crosses the blue moving average upward, is a buy signal. Look at the cross here. There's a cross here. Look at this cross here. The red one crossed the blue one upward. What happened? The market started buying. Now look at this cross here at this side. The red one crossed the blue one downward. What happened? The market sold. Are you seeing it? So whenever the red one crosses the blue one upward, it's a buy signal. Whenever it crosses the blue one downward, it's a sell signal. Okay. Now look at this cross here. Oh, sorry. Look at this cross here. The red one crossed the blue one upward. What happened? The market started buying. Look at another cross here. The red one crossed the blue one downward. What happened? The market sold to this point. Look at the point, to this lowest point. Now let's check again. Let's check. Okay, look at another cross. Look at another cross here. The red one crossed the blue one upward. What happened? The market bought to this extent. The red one now crossed the blue one downward here. The market was sold. Okay, so it's very simple. Just back test it yourself. It's something you can do. Look at the crossing. Okay, sometimes you will see a double cross. but you will know where the market trend is going to. Now on your own, you have seen that the market is coming down somehow, and you see a upward movement, a pullback, and your moving average crosses down, then you should know that you are in a downward trend. Okay, it's simple. Okay, if there's any question, just beat me on my WhatsApp. My number is always there. Then we can discuss. We can just dissolve any issues together. Very right now, very strong. Thank you for watching this short video.